Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself look thinner in photos with Wing Editor. So in here, I've already opened the Wing apps on my phone, and on the home page, you'll see this body option. So just tap on that. You can use this feature for photos or videos, but today I'm going to just use it for photos. You can just find the photos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit this photos right here. Now click on start, and in here there are several body adjustment that you can select it. You can make your body look thinner or slimmer by click on this body options, and in here you can just, if you want to make it bigger, you can swipe to the left, but since I want to make it look thinner, I'm going to swipe to the right. Just like this, you can see this is the before and this is the after. You can adjust it to how you like it. Here you can also adjust the arm size to make it more to make it fit with the body. You can adjust the neck and shoulder or waist. In here you can just, to make it more thin, you can just adjust the waist size. Here you can also adjust the belly like this, or resize your breast. You can adjust it if you want to make it looks bigger. Okay, so if you want to make it as a template, you can just click on this template button. And that's how you can make yourself look thinner in photos. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.